Can you see the screen? Orders and complaints of letter writing. Before we understand how to draft orders, इसके पहले कि हम जाने कि communication skills क्या है और order क्या होता है, complaint क्या होता है, we must take a look at what are the effectiveness of writing. What are the effective 7 C's of communication? Effective communication is essential in every aspect of life. In every aspect of life, it means effective communication is important in every aspect of life. Whether it be at home, at work, or with friends. आप एक communication का अच्छा होना बहुत जरूरी है. Now, why effective communication is important? अपने communications को अच्छा करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए, बाद की चीज. क्यों important है? Why it is important to talk effectively? चाहे हम घर पे हों, चाहे हम घर पे हों, ऑफिस में हों, कॉलेज में हों, पार्टी में हों, नेबर से बात कर रहे हों, ऐसी कोई जगह है जहाँ कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, कनेक्टिव होना जरूरी नहीं है. जैसे ही तो मेरा नेबर है, इससे हम क्यों अच्छी तरह से बात करें? ये तो मेरा सर्वेंट है, इससे क्यों मैं अच्छी तरह से बात करूं? ये तो मेरा को पैसेंजर है, कहीं हम ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, को पैसेंजर, इससे मैं क्यों अच्छी तरह से बात करूं? ये तो गार्ड है, इनको हम क्यों हाई, क्यों गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड इवनिंग करूं? So whether you are at home or with your friend or at a party or in your school or in your college or on the road, रोड में क्या जरूरत है इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन का? है क्या? कैसे?
Ma'am, so that we can convey our message other person to properly.
तो पता है सड़कों पर कितना फाइटिंग होता है, पार्किंग के लिए कभी झगड़ा हो रहा है, कभी किसी का व्हीकल टच कर जाता है, तो एक सभ्य आदमी क्या करेगा? अपना आपा नहीं खोएगा. तो पता है इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन क्या है. लेकिन जिसकी आदत है वो क्या करेगा? मारपीट पर आ जाएगा. राइट? So in a nutshell, communication skill is very important everywhere. ऐसी कोई जगह नहीं है जहां आप कह सकते हैं कि यहाँ उतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं. It is an essential part, and the way you behave is called soft skill. जो आपके पास नॉलेज है वो आपका हार्ड स्किल है. आपने जो कुछ भी अर्जित किया है, whatever you have learned in school, whatever you learned at home, whatever you have learned in any class, all the information is shared in your hard disk. Your mind is the greatest of all computers. वो कहाँ stored है? वो आपका हार्ड स्किल है. But how you use this hard skill, hard copy. कैसे उसको use करें, that then comes soft skill. किस तरह से आप use करते हैं? Every family teaches you what is good, what is bad. ऐसी बातें नहीं करते, this is bad habit, ऐसा नहीं बोलते, बड़ों से ऐसा बात नहीं करते. सुना होगा आप लोगों ने ना, so many times.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The communication skill, the nutshell is that effective communication is required at every aspect of your life. Everywhere it is essential. And what are these 7 rules you'll come to know? The 7 skills you'll come to know, and the importance of these 7 skills. So effective communication is essential in every aspect of life. This is a question which has always been given to you. The first sentence, effective communication is essential in every aspect of life. Comment. Or write a paragraph on, write an essay on effective communication skills. Do you understand? So whether it be at home, at work, or with your friends, a person who can communicate effectively will always have the advantage when dealing with. A person who has good communication skill will always be applauded. उसकी इज्जत हर जगह होगी, वो हर जगह advantageous position. Fortunately, there is a guideline that one can to implement the habit of effective communication. What is this guideline? These guidelines are the 7 C's of communication. 7 words starting with C. The alphabet C. 7 C's. What are they? The first is clear or clarity. What do you understand by the term clarity? आप जो भी बात करें, आप जो भी मैसेज लिखें, आप जो भी ईमेल लिखें, आप जो भी ऑर्डर लिखें, आप जो भी कंप्लेंट लिखें, it should be clear. We'll discuss this later. Let me introduce you first with the 7 C's. The second word is concise.
Ma'am, in short.
In short, in brief, संक्षिप्त में. आज के दौर में, in today's world, nobody has the time to read long messages, long letters. Do you have the time? No. Why will you waste time in writing long letters when the person has no time to read long letters? उसको brief करिए, उसको छोटा बनाइए, एकदम to the point लिखिए, concise लिखिए, ना ज़्यादा ना कम, जितना लिखना चाहिए. Directly come to the concern. क्यों आप लिख रहे हैं? Nobody wants to read stories. So do not write long emails, long messages, which the person you're writing to might not even read the letter. पढ़ेंगे भी नहीं. इतना लंबा email कौन पढ़ता है बाद में, और वो बाद का बाद चला जाता है. बाद. So be concise, write in short. The next word is concrete.
An important thing.
तुम्हारा लॉगिन नहीं है क्या? The next word is concrete. What is the meaning of concrete?
Ma'am, important thing.
Concrete means
Ma'am, definite, ma'am, important thing, definite.
there's got to be something included with facts and figures. कोई ठोस बात नहीं चाहिए, कोई concrete बात नहीं, vague नहीं होना चाहिए, concrete, something which adds value. Something which you have to believe. तुम जो मैसेज दे रहे हो, first of all, you have to believe this also. Because if you will not believe, if you are vague, then your message also will be vague. नहीं? अगर आपका मैसेज है, well, I think tomorrow is a holiday. अगर आप ये मैसेज किसी को देते हो तो vague है ना? I think somebody was saying that tomorrow that there can be a lockdown. So all these messages are not. The importance of being concrete. That the message should be clear. Your message should be
Yeah.
second word concise, concrete, and the next word correct. Correctness in what? Correctness in spelling, correctness in format, correctness in grammar, spelling, language, punctuation, and when you are speaking, pronunciation, right accent, right accent. Like if I ask you what were you doing? So one of the students could not understand what were you doing. He could not answer the question. So repeatedly I was saying, yes, what were you doing last? I was teaching past continuous. So I said, I gave him a question. What were you doing last evening? Past continuous. What were you doing last evening? So he said, ma'am, I'm not able to understand. So I put I wrote it on the whiteboard. They said, oh ma'am, आप तो बोल ही गलत रहे ना. तो ये बोली ना आप what were you doing? आप were बोल रहे हैं, वो बोले तो कोई समझे नहीं कि क्या बोल रहे. So if you do not understand the accent, तो किसी अपनी बात को समझाने के लिए हमको कैसे बोलना चाहिए था? हमको बोलना चाहिए था wrong, इसलिए कि communication क्या है? तो grammatically सही बोल रहे हैं, pronunciation हमको वही इसी तरह से बोलेंगे जिसको वजह से उसको समझ में आएगा. तो I said okay. बाद में word को where I keep on writing on the board. WERE कितने लोग बोलते हैं where है? आप लोगों में से कितने लोग बोलते हैं WERE where है? कितने लोग बोलते हैं where है WERE? where होगा. तुम्हारा क्या? where की where? where. अगर where WER where, WHERE where, WEAR where, what were you wearing? What were you doing? Communication is giving the right pronunciation. यहाँ पर डिफॉल्टर कौन है? मैं या वो कैसे? I am the defaulter because मैंने इस लहजे में बात करी जो उसको समझ में नहीं आया. He could not decode. तो यहाँ पर क्या है? Communication यहाँ पर the question was not answered. Why? Because he could not understand my though the correct pronunciation, though he could not answer the question and he missed out on some marks because of this accent, the barrier. Right. So correctness in spelling, correctness in punctuations, correctness in pronunciation, correctness in language, and most importantly, whatever you're speaking, it should be correct. कोई इनकरेक्ट बात नहीं, कोई झूठी बात नहीं, अदरवाइज क्या हो जाएगा, यू विल लूज क्रेडिबिलिटी, कोई आपको बिलीव ही नहीं करेगा, nobody is going to believe you. Now some students hopped out of the class. So इसको XYZ को पूछता होगा, तुम लोग क्लास खत्म हो गया था, तो हाँ, खत्म हो गया क्या, वो बच्चा क्या बोलेगा, वो लड़की क्या बोलेगी, वो लड़का क्या बोलेगा, हाँ खत्म हो गया था. Some persons can believe. Supposing this is asked by your center head, is your class over? You will say yes, starting over. Okay? Whatever you're saying, it should be correct. So correctness, meaning correctness is honesty, correctness in spelling, correctness in what else? Grammar, language, punctuations. The next C. Consideration. Consideration is all about interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication, it means interpersonal relation. Group में हर किसी से व्यवहार अच्छा होना चाहिए, relation अच्छा होना चाहिए. Should consider each other's, should respect each other. सद्भाव, एक group oneness होना चाहिए. Consider yourself to be in the other person's shoes. अपने को किसी और की जगह पे रख के देखो, फिर तुमको लगेगा ऐसा मुझे बोलना चाहिए था या नहीं बोलना चाहिए. Mutual respect. We should respect each other. We should have feelings for each other. There should be oneness. And what is interpersonal relationship? Group में आपसी संबंध. If you are not considerate, means आपको दूसरे की फीलिंग के लिए कोई मतलब नहीं. सिर्फ अच्छा लगे या बुरा लगे, आपको बोलना is it good? That is bad communication. So you should have mutual respect for each other. अगर bad email भेजते हैं आप, तो that gives a bad effect. The next thing, completeness. Any message and every message should be complete. If you have been told to give 5 information and you give only 3, what will happen? What will happen? बताइए क्या हो सकता है? If my message is not complete, what will happen? बताओ, तुम बताओ.
अनकम्प्लीट हो जाएगा.
तो समझ में नहीं आएगा और बात बनेगी नहीं. बात बनेगी क्या? So any message to be effective needs completeness. And the last C is courteous. Courteous means being polite. Courtesy. अब ये courtesy क्या है? कोई आता है तो आप खड़े हो जाते हैं. Excuse me, thank you, please, sorry. Either you are courteous or you are discourteous. बीच में कोई चीज नहीं होती है. शिष्टाचार. आप में से कितने लोग को लगता है कि are you very courteous? कितने लोगों को लगता है? Honestly speaking, are you courteous? बहुत कम हैंड रेज हो रहा है. It means all of you are discourteous. Politeness, courtesy, शिष्टाचार. ये हो गया कंसिडरेशन. उनको ठंड, उनको गर्मी लग रही होगी तो इसके पैर उधर कर देता है कि हम, मुझे गर्मी लग रही कोई बात नहीं, मेरे दोस्तों को पंखा लगना चाहिए. In letter writing, courteousness plays a very important role. जो कि आप लेटर्स जब पढ़ेंगे तो आप जानेंगे. कर्टसी, जब हम लेटर लिख रहे होते हैं तो व्हाट इज कर्टसी. अभी आप बस मीनिंग लिख लो, आप जानोगे क्या चीज कैसे होता है. जब आप देखेंगे एक मेल, क्लियर मेल क्या है, बैड मेल क्या है, गुड मेल क्या है. हाँ, मतलब एक क्लैरिटी, गुड मेल. व्हाट इज बैड, बैड एग्जाम्पल, good example. No, not that. I'm not talking about that. But a good example of clarity and bad example of clarity. So you will come to know all these, the 7 skills of communication, which is going to take you for, which you should be remembering all your life long. ये मद्देनजर आपको रखना होगा, चाहे आप घर पे हो, बाहर हो, सेमिनार में हो, ऑफिस में हो, किसी से बात कर रहे हो, किसी को मेल लिख रहे हो. It should be comprising of clarity, conciseness, concreteness, correctness, consideration, completeness, and courteousness. The success of any business, किसी भी business का success कहाँ stand करता है? Whether it is providing goods or offering services depends upon the sales it is able to achieve and on the number of customers and clients it is able to satisfy. प्रोडक्टिविटी कितनी आगे किसी कंपनी की है, कितने कस्टमर्स को कंपनी सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है, सक्सेस डिपेंड इस पे करता है. In formal business world, all statements are placed through written communication. Business world में nothing is oral. Documentation should be written. And when I said nothing is oral, it means documentation is an integral part, important part of any business organization. Letters related to ordering of goods are one of the most important part of the company's business. मतलब order letter सबसे अधिक भेजी जाती है. Can anyone tell me what are order letters? क्या होता है order letter? When you are starting a new company, for example, you're starting a new branch, you need furniture, you need ACs, you need a lot of things. उसके लिए आप order letter बनाते हैं ना? That you want ACs, you want furniture, आप order लिखोगे. All other letters arise from orders for goods and services, as the business will survive only. If it has orders to fulfill, अगर वो company order fulfill करती है, तभी वो business survive कर सकता है. आप जिस कंपनी में जॉब करेंगे और वहां कोई somebody has placed orders, clients have placed orders, आपकी सक्सेस किस चीज में है? कि आप उस ऑर्डर को टाइम पे and good supply, order delivered on time, but not about late. Yeah, you will learn in organization. Pay attention. There are a lot of things, and if you need to discuss also. Plus, we will talk PBA. Orders received, orders placed, orders delivered, client satisfaction, customer satisfaction. It is important for any company to survive. Placing an order and replying to customers or vendors are essential part of business, and executives need to be very efficient in this skill. So people who are handling this, they should be very careful about their communication, how they are handling business correspondence. So they say communication is the bloodline of any organization. Communication is the lifeline of any organization. Orders are routine letters and their effectiveness depends on the accuracy of details. Most of the contents of an order letter can be tabulated. Now, there are 3 types of order letters. The first is the trial order. Right now, trial order. TRIAL, trial. जब आप कोई चीज ऑर्डर करते हैं, for example, in your company there is a seminar and you would like to order for say 200 to the caterers, 200 plates for veg. Will you order 200 at the same time? No, ma'am. Why yes and why no? So this seminar is on the 21st of next month. Will you place an order? Will it be a trial order? What will it be? क्यों trial order आप ये place पहले करें? Why can't you order for 200 people? Because you do not know what the quality of food. तो पहले आप क्या करोगे? You will order for trial order. आप 2-4 plates मंगा के देखेंगे. And then you'll get the feedback of the people who have tasted it. If you are satisfied, the trial order can convert into repeat order. So the second is the repeat order. So when the customer is satisfied, he can place a repeat order. It means you are all happy about the product. You're all happy with the food. Yeah, the food is good. We can order for. This can be a repeat order. And how can that convert into routine order? The third is the routine order. Routine order कब बन जाता है? When the trial order turns to routine order, means everybody is satisfied. So when everybody is satisfied, you place a routine order of the same. And that converts into routine order when you do not want to go to any other caterer. कि जब भी पार्टी होगी, जब भी सेमिनार होगा, जब भी कॉन्फ्रेंस होगा, तो वहीं से आएगा एक रूटीन वे में. Food ordered from the same restaurant, and letter में क्या लिखोगे? This is a routine order. It means the person will look back.
And when we are habituated.
Yeah, and they will be knowing what to do and what not to do. So first the trial order, then the repeat order, and then the routine order. Understood? Orders are routine letters and the effectiveness depends on the accuracy of details. Most of the content of an order letter can be tabulated. Replies to an order are treated as opportunities to build goodwill and rapport with new customers. Efficiency and prompt reply. Any reply, handling any reply, any letter should be replied back, because this builds the goodwill of the company. And this makes your customers happy. Orders. An order is a formal document. The question can be, how can you define order letters? What is an order letter? An order is a formal document which places a demand for goods or services along with the details of the product. What are you trying to do? Why are you so desperate to pack your bags? अभी को जाना है, तुम अकेले नहीं भाग रहे यहाँ से. Before placing an order, one must get all the details of what one wishes to buy or order for. Before you place an order, you must know the details. You must know the details of what you want to buy. It means it should be concrete. You do not know, like send whatever you have. My God. So in writing or drafting letters, you have to consider all the 7 C's of communication. It should be clear, concise, concrete, complete, correct. Fine. That's it for today.